Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can register a webinar on forex.com. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to be in this particular platform of forex.com. So how you get here is just go to any web browser and just search for forex or forex.com, and then to this first link just go over here, and then it will directly redirect you to this particular platform of forex.com. Now what you're going to do is over here just go to this drop down menu of the education, and on your left you'll be having these options. So just go to webinars, and over here just scroll a bit down and go with this register here option, and scroll a bit down. So today there is no any webinars, but you can go over here weekly fundamentals and register here option, and then there are options which say save your spot, or to scroll a bit down and you can register it right away like this. And then now over here you have to let's say type in your first name, your last name, your email address, and choose the country that you are from, and just press register. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you register. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.